I'm Susan. It's been a while. Last year after Christmas I kind of burned out, and so I intended to take off a few weeks, and it's been almost a year later, but I'm back and I'm so glad to be back. So today's recipe, and I hope you're all doing great and had a great year. Our recipe for today is a chocolate chip peanut butter bread, and it sounds wonderful. I've made a variation of that before, and you can half this recipe if you don't want two loaves. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. For my chocolate chip peanut butter chip bread, I'll need 3 cups of sour cream, and I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. I'll need 1 cup of vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, a ½ cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a ½ teaspoon of baking soda. And the star of the show, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup of peanut butter chips. To your flour, you want to add your sugar, your cocoa powder, your salt, baking soda, and baking powder, and give it a good whisk. Now in a different bowl, you want to crack in your 4 eggs and beat them lightly. And to your eggs, you want to add in your sour cream, your vanilla, and your vegetable oil, and mix it together really well. I realized I had to go to a bigger bowl. So you want to combine your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients. Also add in your chips. And I have 2 loaf pans, 2 large size loaf pans, and I have them lined with parchment paper that's been sprayed. You want to combine everything really well, but you really don't want to overwork your batter. You just want everything good and moist and mixed. Now you want to divide your batter between your 2 loaf pans and just smooth it down a little. Get it as even as you can so that they'll cook evenly. And you want to cook it in your 350 degree oven for about 60 minutes, 70 minutes, or whenever a toothpick comes out clean. Once they finish cooking, you want to just put them on a rack and let them cool for about 10 minutes. Then pull them out of the pan with your little handles on your parchment paper and let it cool for about an hour. Okay, now it's time to try the chocolate chip peanut butter chip bread. too big a bite. But it's really good. It's not overly sweet. I like it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And I hope y'all have a great and wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.